teachers. Hello everyone. My name is Lê Hải Việt Hoàng. I'm 6 years old. I'm in class 1A1. My favorite farm animal is a dog. Dog say woof woof. A baby dog is a puppy. A dog is yellow. Sometimes it's black and white. A dog is so cute. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.